Hello again, everyone. The markets are making big moves. When you know your technicals, making winning trade after winning trade on days like today becomes easy. We picked up Wynn early in the breakout. The key is buying stocks at the right time. When you know your technicals and know when to execute, again, making winning trade after winning trade becomes easy. We gained huge gains in just a few short days. It's just that easy. I have a stock right now that is about to break out just like this one. And getting in now would be getting in early. And when you sign up with the risk-free trial, that's right, it's risk-free to become a member and receive the next winning stock picks that will make you a fortune over the next couple of weeks. It doesn't get any better than this. And here it is, breaking to the upside and will be headed much, much higher, trading at just 119 and will be headed to 127, believe me, which will be gains of huge gains. If you're looking to make huge gains, look no further and sign up now for your risk-free trial and get the technical trades that will make you a fortune, believe me. Become a professional trader by signing up now and learning the secrets that traders have been using for years to multiply their accounts, believe me. That's right, multiply. Sign up right now with your risk-free trial and trade with the pros. Watch your account multiply in value by making winning trade after winning trade. It's just that easy. Believe me, sign up right now.